I really like it. That's my favorite is Basic Painters right now. It's really smooth, but it's just 80s expression. And we like with Reserve, Street, Bullet. Yeah. He likes Bullet. That's his second choice. Oh, yeah.
Here's water. You got the water ready?
Water boy's here.
Water boy. Water on me. Happy.
It just battles chugging. It's just a good sickness. Yeah. It's got a real
Happy hour.
Oh, yes.
How was that?
Just for now. For
One of the hours, yes. I know. The Japanese company that owns it. It's Spanish hacienda looking distillery. Really strange. There it says on the snow.
kind of funny.
They're 4 roses single bag. Oh my God. And it's, you can find it on Simple Go. Oh, I know. It used to, oh my God, I couldn't even find it. Yeah. It was bad. But they, the single batch now is really yeah, the somebody.
Master in the house. Oh, what's your name?
Oh, that's true too. I don't know how long. It is. We're so happy to see you. Yeah. Well, now, have you been to the Dutch Cafe? Oh, you gotta go try their beer down there. No. Yes, and Belgium, never
Bueno, Vladimir. Bueno,
Wait. Hi.
That's a mango.
Is there a secret camera?
Wow. Good camera there.
This is real cool. We sit down.
I'm under surveillance.
I wanna dance with somebody.
Somebody break it.
This one distillery, which also does beer, and they make a beer. It's called Kentucky Bourbon Ale. They age it about 3 months.
Caramel.
The beer.
Color coating. Brown. Right? Brown. Yes. Right.
You are absolutely right.
Yeah, hey, I'm right.
Tabasco, hot sauce. They use bourbon barrels to age their Tabasco. Down there, I'm not angry. I'll get within 5 or 6 miles and you start smelling it. They put that mixture of vinegar and there's about a 3-inch layer of they put on them stairs and age them. They just skim that salt off the people don't even realize when they got down there because they use bourbon. The last one has to be an oak barrel that's charred.
Happy.
Ready? One more?
No, I got a question.
Charred in a certain
Enjoy the dough. We'll see you later.
well, no, not really. Depends on where it is.
Have a good one, sir. Take care. Take care.
It's not 50%. Right, it's not 50%. It's all pretty much the same.
Tennessee.
The distilleries, the old distilleries, they have big the wall cypress that they use to ferment their mashes there. And then it's distilled, which comes out white, different drinks, and they put it in a barrel. And get it knocked out, it has to be that's the mash.
Yeah, orange.
What is those bunch of trucks that are there?
That's a big cypress.
Orange.
And that you stick your finger in the cypress. Stick your fingers in there. It's just kind of like weak beer. Didn't make the still.
There you go, sleep there.
See there.
It's a good noise, though.
We stand up and salute. It's touching.
Sir, how can I help you?
Newcastle.
Yes, we all stand and salute. I've been in Boston visiting somebody. I can't remember the story now. It's been a while.
I'm musically inclined, so I don't know.
He visited somebody. We're in the home.
One more.
We don't know the words.
On Facebook. About 4 years ago, they started announcing for that. They didn't call the race. They just watched. It's just really late. It's real late.
Ano kay Joy?
If we want to go to the races, that's where we go.
More shots, more shots.
I just recovered. So, it's in the family, you know.
Kaming. Sila.
Dahon-dahon lang.
Anggutan.
Yeah, I know.
Nice man, oh.
Nice man. Shopping, shopping. Shopping. Shopping hour.
Everybody's good?
All's good?
All's good?
All's good? All's good, all's good.
All right.
Except for the singing, it's pretty good.
We didn't know you couldn't sing.
Now we know, right?
It sounded pretty good.
This is our grandkids, 3 of them. We've got another one. But this is Keith back there. As a cousin, a month older than him, and those two together were hell on wheels. But yeah, well, that's Keith.
They're not gonna let us stay on, so I guess we're gonna.
This is a Keith.
The racetrack in hair's not really bad.
In Lexington. It's Louisville and Lexington. Lexington's a horse country. And the ambulance where they have the
Same works overnight.
It is sold $2.5 million.
It's the dusting, but you know.
Yeah. Took liquor store forever to get something like that. I think it's really strange. So we made
Just let a patio table and chairs put out there.
It's a busy time. It's a very busy time. Yes. To me it was
I still do
I'm really
coaching and stuff.
thinking about coming back on here in February. I gotta go home and take a look at my checkbook.
Dito soda.
Yeah, me too. What's your day to day? Yeah. It looked like you could do that. Cindy, ABCs.
Right.
February for, I think if you don't do big sports.
Tayo dito mo siya mga resiyo.
Did you just help John? My husband
About
with his
100 days,
bottles.
$100 a day a piece.
So
I
are you
racked
going
up a
to get
decent
some
deal here, but
Just, he wants to know if you can get one standstill candle lock. Around 10 to 6 on our way to the show. We'll pick it up for the 6:30 show.
before 6 p.m.?
Yeah, and then we'll bring it with us after. Is that okay?
That's fine.
see, that's what my guy did when I was on the boat last time. My guy Mike, I would get off. And then what did he do? I hung out here. Saw computerized up there, he'd rack them up and then cost them, and then I'd come back down and get them later. So, the guy's right. Do the best for you. Oh, shit, not me.
You never know what that's important
And that's the thing.
Always come out to him.
And still do it back when I first started.
ABCM.
Jamison double jalan.
Up the road. 3 hours bed late.
Hello sir, coming. Coming.
Not happy about it. Not too bad.
You made me.
Yeah.
Another round. Newcastle.
Yeah. Interesting. Compared to any other bar you see, any other bar, any place else in the world. For a couple days, but walked through there for half. Sandwich place.
Jay's got to make some more jewelry.
Finished last night.
I hate to say, but I thought that I was teaching. I had kids in the school the other day. Knocking off.
Nobody knows the difference. Yeah, a lot of bourbon stuff, but I got like a baker's mark or something, but I'll get Costco small batch, you know, thing. It's not bad. It's right now. That is
You know, it's just my word.
Are they understanding everything?
Yes sir, copy that.
Hi.
But it's two, so it's gonna be one full.
They drink green milk or stuff.
Shake, shake, shake.
Get your booty. Mixology thing. Shake, 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 shake.
Shake your booty.
Shake your booty.
I did the mixology.
I want to know why you always go two and not 1, 2.
Together, huh?
It's the rhythm. Shake your booty because you're going to get out of balance when you shake. You need to dance, you know? Do like this. I used to shake drinks. I put in the middle.
I did have a monster one time at a restaurant, put the bottle between the legs.
Can I get the Chardonnay?
Yes, two. We're having happy hour. Two. So 4 Chardonnay.
Yeah.
Gloria.
Turn up.
Apat na Chardonnay. Okay.
Give it up.
Order lang.
Lucky.
Eat it out.
Thank you.
Where are you from? Sarasota, Florida. I just come from Florida.
Rusty nail.
Time for a new stuffer.
Dos pizzas.
Thank you. County is something that came up with 78,000 new votes. Funny how that happens, you know.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It's not corrupt, and it's just plain incompetence.
Oh
Picture of it.